How to verify Whop account? Follow the instructions. Sign up on Whop.com using email or social accounts like Google, Discord, or Apple for access. Confirm your email address by clicking the verification link sent to your registered inbox. Complete your Whop profile with an image, full name, bio, and accurate contact information. Navigate to your account settings and look for the Account Verification or Trust Settings tab. Connect your Instagram and TikTok accounts to strengthen your online presence and identity. Ensure your linked social media accounts are public and contain consistent, real user details. Submit a verification request form and include relevant social links and business credentials. Wait for Whop's team to review your request, which may take a few days based on profile status. If approved, a verification badge will appear. Otherwise, revise your profile and try again later. Thank you for watching.